Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable 5G on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So, all you want to do is just go into settings, go into connections, go into mobile networks, and in here we can see our network mode. And currently it is preferred to choose a 5G network, and we can switch to something older if we want to. So now our 5G is disabled. Now I don't know why would you want to disable the better network, but hey, if you're one of these kind of people, just keep wearing your tinfoil hats and everything will be okay. But if you ever receive a brain from other sources than your own, you can just go back here and switch back to 5G in order to enable it back on. And also you can just connect or not connect to 5G networks. It's your choice and your call. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.